Loads of balls.
Howdy everybody, how y'all doing? We are in here going through this unit, which was the
second unit.
Yeah, the furniture unit, we'll call it. And we started going through this barrel and we weren't filming, but Miss Courtney pulled this out of this barrel right here. Look at this joker. I said, hey, we need to scan that on eBay. 140 bucks plus shipping.
What year is it? I'm curious.
It's Moxie Teens.
But what year?
And this is Melrose. It is from, I can't see because I just looked at it. And then we also pulled this just now. This is a Bitty Baby American Girl stroller, which is awesome. So that's going to go on eBay again.
It doesn't have a year.
Oh, Miss Courtney also found a buck.
It doesn't have a year. I don't know.
I don't know, but that's worth 140 bucks, so that's awesome. So we'll set that over and keep going with it. Digging through this junk. That's a
Rubber snake.
python. We pulled this stuff right here out of it so far. These little dolls, if they're not stained up, I'm keeping them. If they got stains on them, garbage.
Me you love.
But I mean, even the toys sometimes can bring good money, as y'all can see from that one a while ago. You never know what you're gonna find.
Add that to the change barrel.
We'll try this one.
This is the trash barrel.
Is that part of the
This is
doll?
rough. This needs to be clean.
If it's broke, I ain't keeping it.
Well, this ain't broke, it's just dirty. You want to keep the this?
Yeah, we'll put it in the shop. Somebody will pay a buck for it.
Look,
Come from Goodwill originally.
$4. There's a frying pan.
All the Barbies, we'll keep them and do lots of them in the shop. This is full of Barbies. What we do with the Barbies, we just bag them up and put them on the pegboard for like 4 of them for like $2 or something.
We're keeping the clothes.
And the kids that come in here, not unless they're American Girl or something, they'll buy them.
Baby life.
We'll finish this one up and we'll come back to you when we get one out of here. Hold on, which one? That one says Thanksgiving.
Want to do it?
Just pick one, whichever one you want to do.
I mean, it's the first one to get to other than clothes. What's that?
What'd you find, Miss Courtney?
Thanksgiving cutouts.
Oh.
I maybe or something. Jill moved together.
They come from Old Time Pottery, didn't they?
Thanksgiving home decoration book.
Shop, shop. It's Hallmark. Shop.
What are these?
That's Indians.
But I mean, it's not a. I think the bag is ripped. Or is it just a pop up?
I think it was a bag at one time.
And she cut it to where it's like that?
Yeah, you can see where she cut it. Throw it away.
What? We don't have a bag in there.
What was that one?
Tablecloth.
Shop.
It's heavy.
I don't see a year on it.
Homemade figures.
Mystery box.
Indian.
Oh, that's nice. That's Pocahontas.
The company for all seasons.
That ain't Pocahontas, is it? Wood, no, ain't it?
Feels like it. That or plaster.
This is an Indian woman too.
Teddy bear.
Says it right there, Indian woman.
$25.
Yep, another one.
Those hard to go on anything. Indian one. Little decoration leaves. Or turkey.
Gobble, gobble.
Turkey candle.
Show me how you gobble, Courtney.
Oh.
That's a pilgrim. Hold on, there's stuff under this one.
Napkins.
Got them pumpkins.
Thanksgiving ideas.
Oh, is there money in the card? No.
It's a big old card though. Look at me. Would you want to read all that?
That's Abraham Lincoln, America.
Think it's worth anything?
I don't know. We'll sell it in the shop.
What point is that? I'm in the business to make money.
That's Squanto. What would your Indian name be?
Slacker.
Slacker. Slacker Littlefoot.
Oh, notepad. The Thanksgiving story. You got some sleigh bells right there, jingling.
All right.
That's cute.
I got the reindeer cookie jar.
Open
Best
it
by June 28th, 2013. Shop.
It's cute.
It's not named, got some crazing on it. Got that sleigh bell Santa Claus ribbon.
I ain't sleigh bell, I ain't Santa's belt.
Whatever. Got some paper and some bags. Some more. I picked a crappy one.
Sure did.
Man, all I got is bags.
They're gonna be good come Christmas time.
Hold on. Found something.
There's some pine cones. There you go.
Colton done found him something. What is that? Ribbons?
I don't know, this is something wrapped up.
Oh, more CDs. There's my jingle bells.
Some kitten tissues. How cute is that? Okay, that's enough jingle bells. Oh my god. There's you some tissues.
Okay, let's see what we got wrapped up.
Oh, that's cute.
Ain't that just... Oh, I know what this goes to. I seen it.
Candle holder. Oh, that's cute.
That's $100 right there. All day.
He's been watching too much of that Storage Wars.
So we got Christmas CDs. Mary, did you know? Regis Philbin.
And he did.
Tony Bennett.
Isn't Regis dead?
Yeah.
Maybe worth something.
Okay, cool.
I'll have to scan them.
Bunch of junk.
Well, they may not be junk.
Oh, that's a shop.
Unless some CDs are worth something.
Yeah. Unless some CDs are worth something. Hold on. Okay, Courtney's turn.
Good stuff or back to crappy?
Ain't crappy. We just pulled
Well-
$150 die out of that.
Okay.
Yeah, good stuff. Not the crappy stuff. I'm tired of going through it. Which one you gonna pick? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I see my next victim. You got the Halloween barrel.
Yep, the Halloween barrel.
I know there ain't no clown about to pop up out that thing. Ghost.
He's a beanie
That's
baby.
Cupid.
Casper.
Casper, that's what I meant. Who the heck's Cupid?
Valentine's Day. Bippity boppity boo. Look how cute that is. It's a pen.
That's a witch. Look at that. Bobblehead kitty cats.
Little kitty cat.
That's Hallmark. You think that's worth eBay?
Maybe. Some little Halloween.
Y'all let me know. Should this go on eBay? It's a black cat candy dish Hallmark. Nah, I ain't got time to wait on y'all. Hold on.
Halloween. Halloween.
I'm gonna look it up so y'all just watch Courtney for a minute.
It's Halloween sweet. Does people really send Halloween cards?
Hallmark black cat candy dish.
Stickity doodah. Sticker sheet.
There's 5 listings, 2 solds.
Guess what I found?
$16.99 plus shipping. Going on eBay. Hallmark.
Uh-oh.
Well, you just devalued that thing.
I don't think that's what that is. Oh, it's like a little trick-or-treat bag. See, here's your bag. See? Look, like this.
Oh, and it lights up.
Yeah, it's like a little trick-or-treat bag.
That's
cool.
cute. That'd probably be eBay too, huh? Let's scan it.
Let's put it back together. Did you get it?
11 listed, none sold. And the ones that were listed weren't very valuable, so
Here's
that'd
a
go in the
Halloween
shop.
shirt for the spider.
Shop.
Some nuts. Pine cones. Some leaves.
You think that's Hallmark? That right there? Cha-ching. Cha-ching, cha-ching.
That'd be
Hallmark.
cool. Easter, Easter.
Yeah, it's a
Thanksgiving
good Easter dish. Careful. That's got to go on eBay's.
Autumn acorn bowl.
eBay's.
There's a pot holder. Some doggy ballerini stickers.
There's gourds. I'm gonna crack your gourd.
There's a candle.
Oh, speaking of cracking your gourd, hold on, honey. We pulled out the sofa out of the sofa couch this morning to come out of the furniture unit, and
We weren't gonna clean it, but then we decided we should clean it.
and I pulled it out, and there was about 5 gallons of blood on it, and
Like it was splattered
yeah, so we just
on the blankets.
the law enforcement said that it was too old. So if y'all need a good couch, y'all come by and see us. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday we have one we will sell you.
George. Ooh, I thought there was something in that. Some bags. Extra bags. Banners. Candle holder.
Is that Hallmark? And that's heavy, ain't it? Warning to prevent VARs.
Cars.
VARs.
Look at this thing. Look.
Happy birthday to Holly and Eiley from Sugar Babe and Aunt Dot.
Look, it's a little wicker pumpkin. And that was in it.
That's cute.
See?
That's cute.
Sure.
Check all them cards for money, Courtney. That's cute.
Hallmark.
Hallmark goes with Hallmark. Stamp. I don't know why we're checking Halloween cards for money, but you can't never tell.
Trick or treat. I didn't think people actually sent Halloween cards. Who would have thunk it?
That's rich folks, honey.
If she would not rich, she didn't buy her a unit.
She could have died.
Pop-up greeting card.
Okay, so all that shop, right? Okay, let's make that the shop barrel.
Is this not worth it on eBay?
Probably not.
It's heavy.
I got Hallmark. We'll just price this stuff out. Maybe do the whole barrel for $1.
No. Keeping that?
No.
Hallmark.
I know it's Hallmark.
Halloween. Is this Hallmark?
What'd you do?
Where'd it come off of? Oh, here it goes, right here. It's Hallmark.
Is it? Hallmark.
Do you want this bippity boppity doo pen? 95.
Yeah, something like Boyd Bears. Somebody may want that. eBay. Honey, it's broke. It fell off like 12 times.
Just don't lose the moon. Okay, I'm gonna dig his barrel out. Christmas ribbon. Hey, it looks like Christmas ribbon. It looks like clothes.
Yeah, I don't think I want any. Okay, I found one.
You know, I see a big issue with this barrel so far. Glitter.
Hate that crap. That's a ugly little tree. These are for you.
Oh, how sweet.
These are for you.
You must really be in the doghouse. Ho, ho, ho.
Got something right there. I think it's motion activated. Probably ain't got batteries.
What's that candle smell
Man,
like?
I picked a crappy barrel.
What's that candle smell like?
What candle?
In a barrel. It's your hand.
Called Holiday Bouquet. White poinsettia, winter rose, and scarlet amaryllis. Smells like old people. Smells just like old people. Old people, quit smelling like potpourri. Got that beech tree. And that little, that's cute.
That explains why the seashells. Cookie jar.
Hallmark.
There's his lid. Make sure he ain't chipped.
Store eBay.
eBay if it's working there.
We'll look him up.
Oh look, the tissues.
Look at you.
In the time of need of a pandemic.
Man, whenever we didn't have no butt wiping paper, we could have used this, couldn't we?
They still new.
Yeah.
What are you reading on the bottom of the box? It's Kleenexes.
That's in case of emergency. Uh-oh. We lost an arm and a bird. Westland.
Oh, that's a cute soap dispenser. Pump it and see if there's any. I don't have gloves on.
Where's the cash?
Shouldn't have none. There's all.
Jolly old St. Nicholas.
It's all in the part 56. Hey, it's an empty box. Oh, maybe not.
Patience.
But a music box.
It's a matchbox. Darn my sausage fingers. Miss Courtney, can I borrow your fingers? Don't wind it up a lot because we'll have to hear it. Okay, y'all ready? Look, it's a matchbox. Watch. That
Y'all
is
see him skating?
the neatest thing I ever seen. Oh, was they still watching him?
Well, I was making sure you could see him skating.
eBay.
Put it back in the box.
eBay.
Well, put it in the box so it doesn't get messed up.
Oh, yeah. Big old box for such a little thing.
Cookie jar. Oh, there's something in it. Something's in it. Little angel.
Found something else cool. Like,
It's a jewelry box. Where's she? What the crap?
he was broke.
Well, you should have said that before you just junk him.
The Hallmark? Take a guess. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Huh? Careful, you're gonna make me break it. Hallmark. Is it Hallmark?
Mhm.
It's Hallmark.
That's what I said.
So that was another good barrel, wasn't it?
Wait. We need to make you another barrel
Why?
for eBay stuff. Like
Okay,
cookies.
I'll get you one. Do you
Hang on,
want,
I'll
you
just
want
put
your flowers?
No. I'll put it in with the Halloween barrel.
This?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll come back to you. Alrighty, guys and gals. It is now 2 days after that was last shot. And hopefully y'all enjoyed that video, kind of an unboxing, something or other. It's been a year dodging Corona though, and this pollen man's gonna kill me. Everything is covered in pollen here. But we all our goldfish has died. Every one of them. Cleaned up, all new water, washed everything. Washed this stuff, got to put it back in there. We got a tank heater now. See that heater? To keep that water temperature about 70. So we'll be going to get some new fish probably tomorrow. And we're filling this place up slowly but surely. Let me show you. So the stuff you just seen us pull out a while ago, like the Hallmark stuff, we just priced it out here, put it out here in the cases. That kind of thing. We still got to fill up that case. Pulled out this couch, cleaned it up, and that one. That sort of deal. Set some stuff out here. And then we went through all the Department 56 clothes. All this is for eBay. Check it out. All stressed out, no one to choke. Biloxi, Mississippi, ain't that cool? And still got that stuff right there to finish going through. That's mainly just toys and stuff. We're gonna have to figure something out with a lot of it together. I don't know what we're gonna do with it yet. Did not find the Singer sewing machine cord yet, so I'm gonna try to buy one. But if I can't, I mean, it's all good. I guess we'll just sell it as is. And that's all the empty barrels we got now over there. So now basically what we're going to be doing is just basically we got to vacuum, mop, and get ready for Friday. We are opening Friday morning at 9, so the next video after this will be us opening, and whatever happens, I guess, I ain't sure. But we've slowly and truly filling this place up. As y'all can kind of see, I'll do a slow turn here for you. That's right now is just our catch-all when we walk in the door. Basically, we just throw everything right there. So all that'll be cleaned up. We'll throw some pledge on the table. And then we got this stuff over here just set out. We're not using that door anymore. It will remain locked until we sell some furniture. And then when furniture sells, we'll move this little bit of stuff right here and let them load it right out this door here. So now that door is going to be the only one unlocked during the days. And y'all can see this shelf's filling up. Those filling up. We still got one. I mean, we still got some room. We'll be setting stuff out today and tomorrow. And you can see all this here. This will be moving to the office. The TV will be moved to the office. So that'll be out of here after probably tomorrow. This is, our bathroom. It's going to be locked from the inside, so we'll unlock it after the shop's closed when we're not using it. This was our box room, but it is no longer our box room. Man, it stinks bad in here. What is that smell? Oh my God. Man, that stinks bad. We gotta get this scent out of here first, because I'm gonna tell you it smells like something dead in here. This is gonna be our overstock room for eBay, like our dead pile stuff I got a list we're gonna keep in here. This will also be locked during the times we're open so nobody can get in here. Y'all can see Miss Courtney back here. What you doing, Miss Courtney?
Working.
Working.
I'm picking up the slack.
Got our packages going out today all ready to go.
I'm picking up my slack.
She's tagging and bagging more clothing that has been listed. We did sell one of the Department 56 figures yesterday, the chocolate doughboy thing, which is cool. Sold it for $27.50 plus shipping. So I mean, that's awesome. And I'm over here just listing some glassware we pulled out of one of the units. We got a little glass chicken, some china, cup, that thing. It goes with that thing. Got the old Tom McDonald playing. Baby is snoozing. I woke her up. Shame on me. I'm still listing. Got these rest of these snow Department 56 to list. So that's what we're doing today. We're gonna take some more photos, straighten up that room where the eBay stuff's gonna go, and vacuum, put more stuff out, that kind of deal. So that'll be, like I say, the next video you'll see us will be opening up the shop. And hopefully I called the graphic company yesterday and they said they should be ready towards the end of this week. So they got till Friday. So maybe today or tomorrow I'll get a call from them. We can get them big graphics up on the window before we open.
So I can take my little sign and put it where it goes.
If they're not ready till Friday, we'll just put them up Saturday or Sunday. I mean, it ain't no big deal. Everything ain't gonna happen the first weekend. Right?
Still waiting on all that stuff to come in the mail too.
Right. Anyhow, y'all do us a favor, hit the like button, hit the share button, is there a share button?
I think so.
Whatever buttons. Leave us a comment.
The bell.
Hit the bell. I think that's it. Yep. And you all stay safe, and we'll see y'all after this weekend. Right? See y'all.